So for the inside of this, I want some different compartments, not only to separate whatever's going to go into here, but also so that we have some easy way to pull this back out of the box. So I found a scrap piece of wood, and I cut some little slivers off using the table saw. This is to the outside of the blade. The thicker part was between the fence and the blade. And now I'm going to cut them down. As you can kind of see, they had the pretty gnarly wane over here on each side. So I need to square this back up again. I'm going to take each piece, find where it started to taper off, and then square that off. And this is actually about the same height as the box that we already, or it's the sides of this tray that we already have. So that's good. And again, here I'm just getting some idea of where this stops being flat. Another piece. That one already looks good. Okay, so now we need to figure out how we're going to put these in here to make it look nice. And I was thinking we might do a couple compartments here. So I'll mark the width of this, and the same as with the shelf support, I want to make this to be just a little bit bigger than. We're going to sand down to and squeeze it in place between the sides. So there's not going to be an easy way to clamp this in here. So I have two of these. They're going to run along this side. I was going to put two more to run this direction. And for that, it doesn't really matter where I cut them, so long as I cut them the same length. So I'm going to cut these first. I'll put them both together, cut them at the same time so that it will be square. And so they will be the same length. Okay, so these are going to go in here something like this. These other pieces I already have marked. Okay, let's take these over to the sander and make a good fit.